here is how we're going to make the iPhone wallpaper zoom out. So there are two main ways you can try. At first, let's say that I'm going to go to the settings and tap on wallpaper and start a new one. And I'm going to choose an image from my gallery, right? For example, it's going to be this one of the nature, right? And as you can see, it shows up in this size, but I can definitely just zoom out on it by pinching on the picture and decide how much it's supposed to be zoomed in, right? So I can use the regular pinch in a gesture to make it zoom out. So that is the first part of it. But what you probably are referring to is that you might be in a situation where the photo is horizontal, and when you click it to become the wallpaper, right, it gets really zoomed in, even though, as you can see, like this one, for example, you would want it to fill fully the screen or make sure that it fits on the screen, but you know, it always kind of like zooms in. If that is the problem, if that is the case, I want you to get an app which is called the Resizing Wallpapers from the App Store. It is freely available, and this is what it would look like. So this is the app I'm talking about, and this essentially solves the problem. So when I open it up like this, right, I'm going to click on create a wallpaper and choose this image, right? And as you can see, it kind of works like this, that even though it leaves the black bars or areas at the top and at the bottom, it at least makes sure that the photo fits inside of the screen entirely. So you can kind of like zoom it out or decide how exactly it is supposed to be. Let's say it's going to be this way, and I'm going to hit it done. So the picture will be saved like this, right? Or I'm going to click on save to the camera roll and so on, right? But now the image, if I take a look at it, this is the one which we saved, you know, even though we have some black areas. But if I choose this one to be my wallpaper, right, you're going to notice that this is what it looks like, and it fits nicely. It doesn't have to be zoomed in like this, and this is what it kind of does. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.